This is the new Realme Nazro 20. Today I will unbox this phone and try to give a overall first impression on this phone. So watch the whole video till the end. First I will unbox the phone. In the box, first you will get the SIM ejecting tool and the quick user guide. Then you will get the main thing, the phone. And behind the phone you will find the 18-watt fast charging brick and the USB Type-C cable. This phone does not feel bulky in hand, though its thickness is 9.8 mm and the weight is 208 grams, but the weight distribution is good, that's why it feels good in hand. On the back side you will find the Narzo branding, fingerprint sensor and the square camera bump. On the right side you will find the volume key and the power button. And on the bottom there is the Type-C charging port, 3.5 mm headphone jack and the volume grill. Now let's talk about the display. And by the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, a subscribe would be mind-blowing for my channel. It has a 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display. This phone's nit brightness is 450, which is good, and under the direct sunlight you will face not so much problem to see the display. It is a big display and its resolution is only 720 x 1600, so there's you will notice some lack of sharpness. And without that, it is obviously a great display in this budget. It has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor and the speed of the fingerprint sensor is very fast, you guys can see. It has also the software based face unlock, which is also very fast. This phone has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM, and it is based on Android 10 with the Realme UI. And the processor is MediaTek Helio G80, which is a 12nm processor, and it is also a good processor in this budget range. The sound quality of the phone is average. On the gaming section, I played Asphalt 9 and I found some little lag and frame drops. I don't know it is a software problem or not. And on PUBG, I got a very good experience. The game support HD in high frame rates by default and Ultra in smooth graphics. I didn't get a single lag while playing, so enjoy a little gameplay. and after gaming the phone heats up, but the heating is not so excessive. This phone has total 4 cameras. On the back side there is the square camera bump. It has a 48 megapixel main camera sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro, and on the front side you will get a 8 megapixel selfie camera. The main camera captures decent quality picture. Sometimes the camera oversaturated the picture, but overall the picture quality is very good. The portrait mode is also decent quality. The ultra wide camera captures good quality pictures in a good light. Now see some photo samples. The selfie camera also takes good quality pictures. On the video section, the camera supports 1080p in 60fps. The video quality is decent, but it has no stabilization, so the video is so much shaky. Now let's talk about the battery backup. It has a massive 6000 mAh battery and the battery backup is very good. You will get up to 8 to 9 hours SOT, and in regular use you will get up to 1.5 day backup. And the phone comes with 18 watt fast charger, so the charging speed is quite good. It took about 2 hours to fully charge the phone. So now the main question, is this a good phone in this budget? Yes, of course. It has good cameras, massive battery and a decent quality display. So this is a good deal in this budget. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you enjoy the video, give a like to this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Rahi. See you in the next one.